Dusty says, what you see from the ground is totally different than when you start to get up into the air just a little bit. What I want to first show you, first off, is just a small video that we took of a couple places around here, as well as show you some of the work that we were doing up in the northwest, just to kind of give you a little different perspective of how some things look. This is actually a spot here just on the next ridge over that we took, that Dusty had worked with in a silviculture pasture system, and cleared this all off and replanted this with the pines, but it's showing a good representation of the clearing effect as well as the pasture down here. And we're sitting about 100 to 150 feet off the ground here, and we started from the top of the ridge. And the first question I always tend to get from everybody, well, can it compensate for up and down? So this is actually where we were at. Go back in on the other side of it. We did show a little bit of some work. It's in the northwest part of the state, the Thompson Center, and so that's one of the other areas we're looking in terms of beef cattle. This is at the northwest center at Spicker. Just to give you a perspective, we're probably about 150, 175 feet off the ground here. Dropped it. Actually, I had it run out of battery one time over a corn crop, and I thought I'd never be able to find it. Well, it was still down in the corn crop going, it was trying to come back up. So luckily I was able to find it from that standpoint. So
the other varieties have all done really well. We do have a little bit of weeds out there. We got some crabgrass, we got some annual ryegrass that come in. We got exactly 2.5 tons per acre in the hay. Brent always puts up good hay. And one of the samples Ted's going to show you is this one. It had 14% crude protein and 60 on TDN. That's pretty good feed. And to get 2.5 tons per acre on 12 acres, so we got 65 bales. So far, all of them look really good. None of them are really outperforming the other ones. And so we don't have a lot of data to go with it, but I figured, in another year or two, the varieties that last the longest, we'll be able to tell you that Max Q2 or Estancia or Optima is the way to go for this area.
It's kind of similar. Whenever we use this core sampler, we go out and take a core sample, and that's the most important part. We can't go out and just grab a flake of hay or go out there and reach into a round bale, pull a little bit out, and stuff it into a bag.
A lot of our materials that could be used for something wind up in the landfill. And like Dusty said, I'm at the Bradford Research Center there in Columbia, so we're real close to campus. And we got to work with campus dining, because we started growing some vegetables, some tomatoes and peppers, and we started going to campus dining. They got real concerned. For one thing, the food costs a lot. I had 3 kids go through there. It's not cheap. But it's all you can eat. And they said these kids were throwing a lot of food away. Now, when you go to a buffet meal, don't you get a little bit more? I eat it all. Unfortunately, as you can tell. But some people don't. If you get full, you'll quit. But that's what the kids were doing. And they were complaining about how much it costs. So what they did a survey. They had some more kids measure how much those students were throwing away. And they figured for every meal they ate, they were throwing a 1/4 pound of food a day for every meal. 10,000 meals a day, 250 tons going to the landfill in plastic bags every year. To get that kind of perspective, that's about 140 big round bales or so. Just going to the landfill. So what are we going to do about it? So I asked them, what can we do with that food waste? Compost, that's right. Someone said we could eat it again. Well, I guess we could do that. We can compost it. So let's talk about how we can do that.